Good morning, everyone. It's an early morning. Turn the lights on, dude. The camera's about to run out of battery, so I gotta make this quick and then go charge it. But we're heading over to Wales. I did not get the fenders because I guess they said it had some kind of chemical reaction or something. They called me yesterday, so they'll be done in a couple days, like from the time of this recording. But for the meantime, we're still gonna detail the Z. Just hang out. Josh is coming out as well. We're gonna get some shots. Will is an awesome detailer. I've done it with him since we were like in high school, and he's only gotten better. So we're gonna, give it a cut and polish, make it look spick and span, and bringing this to share with the boys. We're gonna go Pibb it up. Yeah. It's weird for me getting up early on the weekends. I'm not really used to that. I get up pretty early for work these days, but I'm trying to not waste my days away on the weekends, so getting up early is still a little odd, but yeah, I don't know. Heading over to Will's now. Just pulled up at the crib. This thing's real filthy. Got William back from college, dude.
It's good to be here.
It's been so long, man. And then we're waiting on Josh. He's bringing us coffee, and we're gonna have some breakfast and stuff first.
Oh, hi. Ladies, gentlemen, hosts, and brothers.
The Eggman.
Man, don't even. Immortalized on the internet. This waffle.
This guy.
Beef stick.
So yeah, this thing was fire, dude. We had some fire waffles for breakfast.
Really good.
Some eggs and bacon.
Great waffles. My mom said you don't need to move, so you're fine.
Yeah, my fender liner fell out. It's probably like 60% my fault because I'm pretty sure I didn't put all of the things in. But
Oh, so you got a new one.
I got a new one. I don't think this is the right part. I don't think. That looks enormous.
That's what she said.
That's not what she said.
Salvage title. How did I know? Whatever. Why is everybody just crashing their Civics, bro?
What do you mean?
Hey, do you have any more Pibb?
Woke this morning, I got up and prayed. Thinking the love of another good day. I kept it simple, no need to explain.
Hey,
Never thought it helped me, I got away.
it's not. That was gonna be a cool shot, dude.
I know. Wait, we'll get the shot.
We'll get it.
Walking with him ain't no second guessing. Some call it luck, but I call it a blessing. He give me peace, ain't no need to be stressing. He never gave up on me. His promises he'll always keep.
Dude, it's so good. It's so good.
Set me free. I was blind but now I see. Daddy opened up the sea. Just to walk through that with my family. I know some people they aren't understanding me, but that's okay. That's why I'm at it fantasies, hoping that one day they'll see the whole planet. Even before you, Lord, we adore you. There's no one after and none before you. I'm so thankful. Second guessing. Some call it love, but I call it a blessing. He give me peace, ain't no need to be stressing. He never gave up on me. His promises he'll always keep. He paid the price just for me, yeah. Gave him my all, now I'm free. Woke up this morning, I got up and prayed. I'm thinking you love me. You made a way to get to me. You were the whisper leading me to your heart. Right when I need you, you listen as I pray. You leave the 99 for me. You paint the sky with promises of your grace. So I will find my way to you. Now I can see clearly, my God, you for me. You won't let go. Your love won't let me down. And I know it's true. Yeah, I know that your love is all around. I believe in you, holding on to you, holding on, and I know you will never fail. I want all of you, you never change your
That is how your paint should bead water. Wax your car.
The next day.
Is it going?
Yeah, you're
Okay. So, pick off from where we were yesterday. We don't know if the mic's actually picked up any audio. I'll find out when I'm editing this. This is where we got last night. It was kind of a pain in the butt to get fitted. Some things I haven't buttoned up. I need to like get the seal pinched back down, whatever. But for the most part, I think it's pretty decent. The panel gaps are all right. I'm not thrilled about this one on the door. It's probably the biggest one, but that's just how it sits, man. It looks great from a distance, but I cannot recommend these fenders to anyone. These are the Carbon Signal something or other fenders from like Next Level Performance or something. I sent them a complaint email and they never responded. So don't buy these. Don't make my mistake. I just wanted them because they look cool. I should have known there was no reviews on it. Anyway, still need to actually attach this. This is just like sitting on there right now. I just put it on for the camera. Then we need to install the other side and get it dealt with. But I think most of the panel gaps aside from this one are good. This one's pretty good. The one with the hood is good when it's down. This was kind of a pain in the butt to get fitted into the headlight. And so this actually sits just about right there, but for some reason there's a gap now with the bumper. I don't think there's anything I can do about that at this point. Granted, it's an aftermarket headlight and an aftermarket fender now, so that could be why. But I spent a lot of time last night pissing and moaning about it, so I'm just gonna get on with it today. Oh my gosh. This is safe to breathe. Yummy. Got the fender off. I had to have Josh literally step on the fender here and like flex it just so I could reach the bolt that goes right there. So it started raining. Well, it was drizzling before, but you know, when it rains, it pours. Hey, what's up? I just wanted to come on here, talk a little bit about the process. As I said in the video, I did a lot of complaining throughout the process. I got frustrated, but honestly, later that week I had to repent because I lost my gratitude and I put down the joy of the Lord, and that's really important stuff. You know, the joy of the Lord's my strength, and gratitude is a really powerful tool for spiritual warfare. You know, it's a blessing to get to do this kind of thing, and I was losing sight of that just because I was frustrated. So I just wanted to say something about that, you know. Don't let the enemy steal your joy. Rejoice always, talk to God, and give thanks in every situation. Love you guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.